Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch between light mode and dark mode on the iPhone and what it does. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, it is all going to work the same even you have different version of the iOS. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, and now as you can see, now I'm in the light mode. So as you can see, the maps are white, the photos are white, as you can see right here, and the settings are also white, as you can see. So what you want to do is to go to the display and brightness in the settings, and here you can switch between the dark mode and light mode. So now if we open the photos right now, as you can see, we do have the dark mode. Also the wallpaper has changed. If I lock the iPhone, also the wallpaper here is a little bit different. If I open the maps, they are also in the dark mode right now, so it's like there's a midnight, for example, let's say. They are a little bit darker, as you can see. So this is what does the dark mode. Also in the other applications, now they should open in the dark mode. So as you can see now, the YouTube is in the dark mode also. It also drains less battery than the light mode, because there is no so much power needed to just displaying all the light. So if you want to have better battery percentage, better battery life, you want to use the dark mode. So if you use the light mode, as you can see now, the settings are white. Also the photos are white. I don't know why the wallpaper hasn't changed, but as you can see now, after locking down, the wallpaper has changed. Also the all applications now are in the light mode. As you can see, YouTube, also the maps are going to be in the light mode also, so as the day would be. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.